general mental ability test that was conducted on August 2, and that result has been declared in the WhatsApp group. But I would like to congratulate first all the participants who have appeared in this test. Secondly, I would also congratulate those students who have scored the rank in the class. So let me begin with the class 5. Huge round of applause should be there when I speak the name of the child. The rank first was scored by, in class 5, he is from class 5B, Omkar Kaushik. Is he present? Class 5B, Omkar Kaushik. Present. Let him come on the stage. Whosoever is present, whosoever name I will speak, those students will come on this stage and they will stand in a proper row. Second rank in class 5, Aman Suryavanshi. Huge round of applause for Aman Suryavanshi. Third, Jeet Singh Thakur. So these are the first three position holder of GMAT in, that was GMAT 1 held on 2nd August. Now class 6, Mehak Negi, rank 1. Viva Patel, rank 2. Continuously clapping now, I will speak the continuously names. Anupam Behra, rank 3. Class 7. Bhumika Agarwal, rank 1. Topper. Then Priya Sarkar, rank 2. Sonam Kashyap, rank 3. Class 8. Those students who are present, they will come on the stage. Class 8. Anusha Jha, rank 1. Akshita Sahu, rank 2. Mannat Dalal, rank 3. Class 9. Gungun Sahu, rank 1. Shreya Naik, rank 2. Bhairavi Verma, rank 3. And Vamika Singh, also rank 3. Congratulations to the students. Next, class 10. Muskan Sahu, rank 1. Maitri Sharma, rank 2. Anvya Trivedi, rank 3. And Nupur Kaushik, rank 3. Congratulations, students. Now, GMAT IIT JEE class 11. Rishi Vasudev, rank 1. Umar Khan, rank 1. Pragya Sonwani, rank 1. So all these students got the rank 1 in class 11 IIT JEE exam. Neeraj Sahu, rank 2. Vishal Kumar Kurre, rank 2. And Divyanshi Gupta, rank 3. In class 11 mathematics section, the base of the exam was IIT JEE. Now GMAT for NEET class 11 biology students, Rajan Kumar, rank 1. Sanjana Srivastav, rank 2. Shivani Singh, rank 2. Ananya Agarwal, 2. Snehil Bharti, rank 2. Prachi Yadav, rank 2. These all students got rank 2. Rahul Shilon, rank 3. Jayant Suryavanshi, rank 3. And Gayatri Singh, rank 3. So they stood third in class 11 from the biology section. The base of the exam was that NEET. The NEET exam that is going to be held on 10th. That was the base. No, sorry, it is on 12th. Sorry, 12th. Even our school is also the center for that exam. Next, for humanities students, GMAT for that CSC, the name has been given, Civil Services exam. Asta Kesharwani, rank 1. Sakshi Kesharwani, rank 2. Neelkant Gavil, rank 3. Or Sambhavi Verma, rank 3. Congratulations, students. Now, it is the time to declare the result of class 11 commerce section. The name of the test was GMAT Common Proficiency Test CPT. Vikash Khosle, rank 1. Alisha Lakra, rank 1. Sara Kaushal, rank 2. Arya Kesharwani, rank 3. Sahil Raj, rank 3. Congratulations, students. Next, GMAT IIT JEE class 12 math section. Rishabh Shukla scored the first position. Megha Baghel, second. Divyanshi Soni, 3. These students are appearing in their test, not present here. Next is Asta Devangan, rank 3. So next is GMAT Civil Services Exam CSC for arts students, for humanities students. Smriti Chandrakar, rank 1. Ankit Behra, rank 2. Smriti Shukla, rank 2. Smriti Anchal Digga, rank 2. Roji Kariko, rank 2. And Dipyanshu Singh, rank 3. Congratulations to all the concerned students. Next, that was class 12 for the commerce section. The name of the test was Common Proficiency Test CPT. Palak Agarwal, rank 1. Continue beta. Huge round of applause for the students. Anshika Tiwari, rank 2. Tanya Sahu, rank 3. Agrima Jaiswal, rank 3. Gargi Pandey, rank 3. Aditya Singh Khatri, rank 3. So, class 12 medical section. The base was NEET, GMAT NEET. Parul Kanwar, rank 1. Dipti Tirke, rank 2. And Dikesh Kumar Sahu, rank 3. So these were the students who scored the first, second, third rank. Apart from this list, there were other students who also have done extremely well in the GMAT exam. So GMAT 1 is over, and I know because it was online, school was not open, you may not be able to understand the real objective of the GMAT. Again, I would like to tell you the full form. It's a general mental ability test. The objective of this exam to prepare our students for the different competitive exams. Now you may be in class 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, but after that you will have to face the competition. In that competition, what type of questions come, how to prepare for the that exam. So we are starting the revision and the practice through the help of the GMAT. Now upcoming GMAT will be held on, it will be held on 4th of October next month, and that will be in the school premises. It will not be online now. It will be offline, and it will be on the OMR sheets. You will be given the OMR sheet. You are to dark the circle as it is there in the competitive exam. So be ready for that exam. And the syllabus, as I think it was told to you through the video as well as through the circular also, syllabus is same. Whatever is being taught during these days in your classes, in English, in a mathematics, in a science, or in accountancy, or in biology, or in that chemistry, the same syllabus is there. From the same syllabus, the different high level questions will be asked, and that will be MCQ based as it is in the different competitive exams. So keep on participating in this exam, and you will be given the certificates also. Those students who score first, second, third position, they will be given the memento also. So now, before the next GMAT exam that is going to be held on 4th, before that we are going to give the prizes and certificates as well as memento to those who are the first, second, third. But e-certificates all students will be given. That will be e-certificate. It means it will be a digital certificate, but the hard copy of the certificate plus the memento will be given to the first, second, third position holder. So keep on learning, keep on participating, and wherever you have a doubt, keep on asking from your teachers. With these words, I wish you all the best for your upcoming GMAT exam that is going to be held on 4th October. Thank you.